Next up, the dead drop in Bagra Fortress in G8. Zooming into the Bagra Fortress, all the way down south here, on the east side of the island, right over here between these two buildings is where you'll find the dead drop. So moving into the town, around the back here, just behind this 3-story building, with this one over here as well, you'll find the dead drop right here. Now there won't be too many people here trying to chase you away from it, but there are a few AI in the area. They are very squishy. Towards the fortress, however, there are definitely more not squishy AI there than here. So as long as you stay away from the fortress, you should be fine. You'll also need this for a mission later on. You'll find a few radios in here to pick up and trek across the map with. Anyways, that's about it for this quick dead drop guide. Thank you all for watching. That's been the dead drop in G8 by Bagra Fortress. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.